Hello, Mario! AutoCAD Basic 13.5, Floor Plan 1. Hello, welcome. Well, this is my third or fourth attempt at this one. It's been a bit of a mission trying to get everything sorted out. What with there being a few little basic errors in some of the instructions and me not being able to get some things to go quite according to plan. It's, as I say, been a bit of a mission. So let's see if we can get it in this third take here. Over here to AutoCAD. Alright, first up. The walls are 100 millimeters wide and all door gaps are 910. I've found that all the door gaps should be 900, as the 910 just doesn't fly. The dynamic door block that's suggested doesn't have a 910 setting, only a 900 setting. So let's get underway and open. First of all, we're going to open a right here, new file. We're going to open the navigate to our template files, and the one that we're going to open eventually is this one here, AEC millimeters. So we're going to open that one there, and there we go. That's all nice and open, and straight away we're going to save it as and we're going to save it as Office 3. Now because I've made a few attempts at this previously, you may well find that it's already there. So we're going to call it Office. What are we going to call it? Here at Course Files, and I want to call it OFFICE Office 3. And yeah, we'll replace it. So that's okay. And save. Yes, we do. Okay, so now we're up here, as you can see, Office 3 up there. Alright, so let's start drawing the plan. So we're going to take a line and we're going to go from here, and I'm going to turn on ortho, which is eluding me. Where's it gone? Oh, here it is here. Trying to hide from me. Okay, so I'm going to turn on ortho right there, and that's going to be 6,100. Okay, so I'm just going to tone that down there a little bit, and then I'm going to go along here, and that's going to be 9,100. Okay, which will take us to there, and then up here 3,000. Yeah, and along here 6,300, and then we're going to drop down here until we line up with here. There we go, and that which is about there, and then we'll drop back to there. I'm always want to check that these are, so that's 180 degrees. 1540 would seem about right. So that's the outline. So the next thing I want to do is to put a 3,000 radius 3,000 curve in there, and to do that I'm going to use the fillet command there, and I'm going to go R for radius, and I'm going to go 3,000, which is filling up there. Right, my first corner's there, and my second one is there. Boom, that's that done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to join all these together to make them into a polyline. I don't know whether it'll, oh yeah, and that's just worked a treat there. And then I'm going to offset that 100 to get the inside wall. Be very careful, select and come inside. That's it there. Alright, then I'm going to go from here and I'm going to, oh no I'm not, Control Z. Oh, that didn't work out so well. I'm going to go from there to there and escape from there, and then I'm just going to, that wall there, I'm going to explode that, X for explode, boom, and that should just be little things there. Offset, enter, offset distance, in this case 5500. Okay, so I'm going to put that in there, 5500. This one here, no, just 100 please. Okay, to put that wall in there. This wall down here, I'm just going to put this one down in here. I only want that 4,000 for that wall, 4,000. Okay, and then I'm going to offset that there, 100 down there to get the other wall. Alrighty, and then I'm going to draw a line from there to there. That's the one. And then I might offset that 100 to get the other side of that wall. Oh, and I also need to, oh now I've forgotten to come all the way down there, so I'll just use the extend command and I'll just click on there and I'll just extend those down there like that. Okay, so that's got everything in there. Now let's just do a bit of trimming to, oh well, I could put these walls, put these doors in maybe, so that's 450. So let's take a line from here and we'll come up there 450 and it'll come across there at a right angle, and then we'll offset that 900, and that'll be that one there, and that, no, not there, there and there. Okay, we'll get rid of that while we can. Alright, and then we've got another look, that door in here again, so line, and we'll just pop across here 450, and oh, that didn't go so well, I don't think, that didn't look good. Line, enter, come along there 450, and then we'll drop our line down there. Okay, oh dear, what went wrong there? I'll try that again. Line, enter, okay, along there 450, and then down here to right angle, and then we're going to offset that 900. That's our door space there. Okay, so we've got that door there, and then we've got another door in here, well, a line that we're going to draw in here, which is just across here, there to there. Okay, and then we can offset that 900, and that'll put us in there like, keep getting these on the wrong side of the, I think it might be to do with my object snaps. Okay, alright, so that's that, that's that. Okay, and then we've got another door up in here, which is 3700. So line, enter, let's put this one in here, 3700, and then it'll come across there 90, and that should be that one there, and then that one be offset 900 as well to get the other door. Right, now we're going to do some trimming. TR, enter, and that's that out of there. So that's that all sorted. That's that door sorted. That door sorted. That door there sorted. That wall sorted. Okay, there's a wall in here. And there's a wall in there. There's a wall in there. All good. And here. Awesome. And down in here. So we're getting these all done. Yep. Okay. That's going in there. And then we've got one there. And one there. So I'm pretty sure that's our wall outline pretty much sorted out using a combination of various techniques. Alright, so now I'm just going to get rid of that so that I can show you how to get it back up there again. Okay, so the next thing is we want to put the fill the door gaps with doors actually, and to swing them as to how it's shown in the diagram. So I'm just turning the page here and open the tool palettes. So go to view there, and there's the tool palettes there, and there's the architectural one all nice and highlighted. Okay, so the other thing we need to do is we put the doors in the doors layer. So they should come out green. Alright, so let's do the first one here, and we're going to use a metric samples. So there's our metric door, and it's this one down here. So it's going to swing from this corner here. Okay, and we're going to click on there, and that's going to give us the width 900. This here is going to give us how much it opens, which is 90. We can swing it. No, it doesn't want to do that way. And this here is, yeah, no problem. And here, align block to object. Yeah, it doesn't seem to work so good. The easiest way to do this is just to do a rotation. So rotate here, in there, and oh, that's not quite so marvelous. Oh, what's happened there? Oops. Okay, so things have gone a little awry. Move. Haven't gone quite according to plan. Move that up to there. Like so. And then we're going to do a rotate, which is about this point here. And we want the door to actually be there, and then we've got to do a mirror line, MI, okay, select the object, and the mirror line is here to here, and erase the source object. So that's finally got that door in there by a roundabout sort of means. So now we'll go back for another door. Oh, where's the door? Oh, where's that metric door gone? window, oh there it is there, door metric. And this one here, pretty much swings the same as this one here. So the easiest way to do that would just be to go CP for copy, and copy that point there and just put it straight over to there. Okay, all good. And this one here, where's it go? It goes on there. We can put that one there as well. It's probably easier. And this one here goes to the outside, so we can put that on there, and we'll just swing it all about a bit later on. Okay, so that'll do. So that one there, let's just go on there. I think if we swing that to the other side, yep, that's done. Bingo. Awesome work. Oh no, not quite. Okay, do a little move here. Alrighty, just need to move that down into there. So that's that one done. Those two there are all done. And this one here just needs to, no, I think I can do this by aligning it here like this. Perhaps not. Okay, well, I thought I could, but no, I couldn't. Okay, rotate about this point here 90 degrees, and there's your door all sorted and in place. They're all in the right spots. So that's the doors all done. Okay, so the next thing to do is to do the windows, and what we're going to do is use the metric window here, which is this one here, and then we're going to go from the outside of the building, we're going to go 600, and that's where it goes. And then there we're going to go to there and use the array command, and in this case here we want just the one row, and we want 7 of these here, and my investigations have shown that we probably want that there to be at 1800. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Yeah, that looks pretty good. You could worry a little bit about the symmetry of the room, but I think it's just a matter of arraying them in there. There doesn't seem to be too much detail around it. So that's got those windows in there fairly smartly. So now we're going to put another metric window in here, and I'm assuming that that's going to be 600 up there as well, although it doesn't say. 600 there like that, and then we're going to rotate it, rotate that through 90. Yeah, there we go. And I'm not sure, I just want to check this measurement here. 700. No, we really only want it 600, so I'll just bring it down. Move from here, and I'll move that down there 100. Okay, so that should make that now 600. Don't be afraid to check distances. Checking distances is good. Yeah, no, it's still 700. Whoa, I want it 600. So I want to move from there down there 100. I don't know, has that moved? It's very hard to say. Measure the distance. Oh, that's done it now. Right, now I did a little bit of work on this one here, and so again we use the rectangular array command. This time we only want one column, I think, and 3 rows, and I've got a distance between them of 1800 is what I got. Which, oh no, that's not, but that's between the rows. 1800 I checked out, based on the fact that, well, I think it's the fact, close the array. I did a bit of a measurement here, from there to there, and I got 1000. Oh dear, that's not what I wanted. Perhaps it was 2 meters. Ah yes, I think it was 200. Okay, and then close the array. Then I can measure from there 600, so that was 600 at each end. So that's sort of what I did. Now through here, just looking at the diagram, there seems to be 3 in the middle of that room, that first room, 1 drawing in the middle of the second room, and then 3. So yeah, I'm not quite sure that I'm doing this in the most efficient way, but draw metric. So I'm going to put this one in here. Oh no, I'm going to move it along from here. Oh, from might just delete that one. So metric window, let's just put that in there. So we want to go along there 600. Oh, that doesn't work. Okay. We actually want to go from there 500, because the walls are I don't know what happened there. Try again, Windows metric. So from there I want to go 500 along there. Okay, so that should be 600 there. Yep, that's correct. Alright, now I just want to look at this distance inside this room. So that's going to be 500, that's 55, so that's going to be and so we want 500 from the other end. Let me see. So that's going to be 4. I'm not sure what we're going to. Let's have a look. So what we're going to do there is array. Select the object. Okay, and we want what we want there is so we want to select the array. I lost the array there. So columns, we want 3 columns, and we only want 1 row. Okay, now so that'll be 1, 2. The differences, I'll just so we've got 500 there. We'll just go to home here, and we'll measure from there to there, 1400, 900. So I reckon if we add 300 onto this distance here, columns, make that 1650. Okay, how's that look? No, that doesn't look quite enough. 1650. Let's measure that from there to there. 800. We want 500. So I think we've got to make this here 1750, and that'll, I think it'll 1750. Okay, how does that look? Measure that. 600 and 500. 1750. What have we got there? Total 3500. If we go 3600, okay, what does that give us? Okay, so that just puts it in there like that. So that's our total, and oh, close that there. So I think I might have worked out a way of doing this. Measure from there to there is 500. Okay, all right. So let's so we want a window in here. Okay, so we've got one window, and it's got to go in here in the middle. Alrighty. So that's just putting in a window, metric window. The windows are 900, so let's go there. So that's 3400. The windows are, as I say, 900, so that makes that 25. So we'll just put a window, 25 metric window. We'll just put it in there, and it'll be 1250. Okay, so if we, oh, that doesn't look too flash. If we measure that, 1250. Woohoo! And if we measure this here, oh, 1250. So that's certainly in the middle of that room. Okay, we need another one in the middle of this room here. So that there's gonna, that oops, I'll just explode that. Okay, explode. Now that there is three. So we've got three. We've got one window to fit in there. So, and that's 3. So we take 9. That's 21. So that's 1050. So if we put a metric window in there, up there, 1050. Oops. And if we rotate that metric window through 90, like that there, and then we can measure this here, it should be 1050. 1150. Let's have a measure down here. Measure. Measure this here. 950. 1150. Oh, that's not in the middle. Wonder if we can move. I'm going to try something like this here. Oh yeah, move that there. No, we want to move it to there. That's the middle of the. move. So we'll move this here to there. No. Okay, so what have we got here? We've got 3. We've got, that's 3,000, and we've got 900, which was 2,1, so it should be 1050 in my opinion. I'll just check this window here. That's 900. Yep, what do we got here? Measure. I'll measure this here. $950, so that's got to go 100 up there. Move up there. 100. That didn't work. Okay, so we want this whole thing here, that there. We want it to move from there up to there. 100. That's not working. Okay, what I'm going to do is do a C for circle. C for circle, and I'm going to put a 1050 circle there. Right, now then I can just move this here, move this block here up to there. Okay, and then I'm going to take that circle out of the picture like that, and then I'm just going to measure this here. 1050. Finally got that one sorted. Okay, this one across here, there's 1, 2, 3 windows. Well, I'm just going to maybe, I know I've got 3 windows here, so I'm just going to I'll select that, CP for copy, base point. Okay. And I'm just going to put it from there $600. No, that's not working. Oh dear. What the hell? Move that point there. I'll just turn off this ortho here for probably don't need the ortho, and then we can go from here from here no, that's not working either. Okay, delete. Let's just start from scratch. Okay, so what we've got through here is 6,300. We'll try a 600. We'll try a 600 for that window, metric window. Okay, so where is it? It's that point there. So I want to go 500 from there. Okay, and then I'm going to do an array here, which is going to be one row, yeah, and it's going to be 3 columns. Okay, now that that total distance there is 6300, and I take off 1.2, that's going to be 51, so that's 600 twice, that's going to be 5100. So I'm going to go to there, and I'm going to change the total to 5100. No, that's not right. So sorry, that's 6300. Oh, that's the total. So if I take, oh no, if I take off 600 and 600, it's 1.2, that's 5.1. Why isn't that working? So that's between, so that's the, the total. Alright, so let's bring, can we bring this back here? No. Okay. So that's obviously not going to be right. That's going to be, I'll go 4,000. So 4 meters. So let's just measure that up then. So that's 600. So we'll close the array and we'll measure from there to there, and that's 800. So we just need to add 200 onto that, and that'll be 42. Okay, alright. Just, oh, that's where I went wrong. Is it 63? Oh no. Minus 1.2. So that's 42. Okay, and that there you'll see then that dimension from there to there, oh, that dimension from there to there, 600, and the dimension from there to there, 600. So let's just recap what I did there. Is I put that in there, and then I made a distance that came just off that end, and then I saw how short that was and adjusted it to suit. So say for instance, let's just do a check here. See this one here, I've got a total distance of 4.2. So I think I got 4.4 before, and it was 200 too long to make both ends 600, so I just took 2 off it, and that gives you 2 100 between them. Okay, between the windows. Alright, so now we've got to fit 1, 2, 3 windows down that side, and I'll go with a 600. So let's put a window, metric window here. Got one there. It's on that side there. So I'm going to go down there 500. Okay, and then I'm going to rotate that about that point there 90. So let's just check our measurement here. Measure there, measure. what have we got here? We've got 600. Okay, now this here, right, we're going to do an array, and this time we want, oh, now it's going the wrong way. So this time we want 3 columns. Okay, oops. 3 columns and 1 row. Enter. Okay, oh, that's not right. Sorry, we want 3 rows and 1 column. 1, yep, and 3. Okay, but they're going up that way. So let's go minus 1350. Oh. What the hell? Minus 1350. Let's drop them all down there. But we want one to go the other side of the door, which has got to come. So let's make it minus 1800. No. Minus 2000. Bit better. We can make that one. Let's measure. Close the array. I'll just measure from here to there, which is 600. So I'll just add 600 onto the total length. So that'll be 600. Oops, and that's, we've got to bring this back here a bit. To 200, say. Yeah, that's sort of it. We could probably bring that back another 100 or maybe 2 meters. 200. No. 100 to fit round the door. Yeah, and possibly 200's probably too much. I think we found so it's 2150. That looks pretty reasonable. Yep, I think I'll leave it at that. It seems to be about right. I'll just do a couple of measurements here to see what we've got here. So from there to there is 150. Okay, and from there to there's 200. I think I'll leave it at that. That's pretty much it. I can see something that I've done there. These windows should actually be in a Windows layer, so I haven't done that, and so I'm going to select all the windows here, just there and there and there and there and there and there. Oh, I've got the multi thing turned off. So there, there. I wonder if it'll select all entire drawing, block reference, name, value, window metric. Is that it? Yep. Okay. No. Isn't that, oh, it likes arrays. Okay. So then we've got to add the arrays. Yep, I see. So it didn't like all those. Alrighty, there's the, that should be that there and that array there. So they should all go in the layer called Windows. Yep. Okay, so that's all a layer called Windows. Okay, so let's just check there. That's all Windows. Yep, and we could check that by using this isolate here. Isolate. Okay, and I'll just go to settings here for that, and we want to off. Yep, that's correct. Enter. Okay, so I'll just go up to here to isolate, and select the objects. That one there. Enter. Okay, and ooh, weird. Not quite what I was expecting. Unisolate. Alright. Oh, this layer here. Oh, something's not quite. So that's not windows, that's walls, that one. What's that one? Walls. Yeah. That should be in walls. So there's windows. There's in Windows. That's in Windows. Windows. Might not like the arrays. That might be causing problems. So that they should all be in a layer called Windows. Alright. And they seem to be. Okay, yeah, alrighty. Windows, alright. And so if we isolate, that should just bring out only the windows. Okay, but it doesn't like the arrays, obviously. Okay, never mind. It worked for the unisolate. Well, I wonder if we can isolate the doors. Okay. And all those. For some reason, all of the windows are in the doors layer. Interesting. I don't know why that is. It might be to do with the arrays. They're all in the Windows layer. Oh, the colour layer. Oh, no, that's all. Definitely the Windows layer. And these ones here are definitely the doors layer. Okay, but if we unisolate, that unisolates everything. If we just isolate the doors. No, something's not quite there. It's to do with the arrays. But anyway, we'll unisolate. So the isolate layer, what it does is allows you to just do that. So if we just maybe tried isolate the wall hatching. Yeah, so that'll just isolate all of the things in that particular layer or selection of layers. And we can unisolate here. Okay, well, it's been a bit of a mission and it's taken quite a while, but finally we have got that one done. There's a few little glitches along the way. Hopefully I've sorted them out rather than confusing you further. But yeah, all good. Cheers. See you.